me tell Miss Molly I hear I'm running away. So I tell you why, because you kids are ugly ones. Love me anymore. They don't love me anymore. You see those fish over there? Everybody loves the fish. Everybody's feeding the fish. Everybody talk about the fish. And when they do all fancy things in the room, you know what they did? They took away my home completely. I don't even have place to sit anymore. They put me on a tiny bookshelf that is way too small for monsters. I keep falling off and hitting my head, which is a sad thing for monsters. Look, my horn broke. They don't even care. They don't notice. They don't hug me. They don't take me nowhere. Just talk about the stupid fish. The fish can't talk like me. They just swim around and hide all the time because they're scaredy fish. I never hiding from the kids. I don't have to put up with this no more. I find other home far away from fish. I go other places where they love me, take care of me. Maybe they feed me ice cream or give me candy. Fix my horn. I go now.